Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to use roof framing. So we have this example gable roof, and if you want to create for the roof framing, you can change for the working plan view into the framing roof plan view, and also in this 3D perspective I will set into framing roof layer set. The next, you can create framings by clicking at these framing tools. Use the roof truss, and I will create from the center point in the middle point here. It will be create for the framings. The next, you can select the framing objects. Create for the moving framing by using these icons, and then use the multiple copy. Click the multiple copy, and we use the defaults for the primary offset. Click OK, and you can move cursors into the center points. Click hold to create the multiple copy. Okay, you can click against these framings. We multiple copy to the left, same size, and click hold, you can move to the left. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to use the roof framing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.